All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back today with another video. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you this 33-unit apartment complex of student housing we just bought for $4.5 million. I can't wait to show you guys, but before we start the video, if you haven't already subscribed or liked this video, please smash the subscribe button. It really helps with our algorithms to reach more people and give out more free chicken. Let's take a look. Okay, so we decided to buy this apartment complex because we love it, right? It is student housing at the local state university. It's the closest off-campus housing to the university, right? So there's so many great things stacking up. 33 units, there's 2 bedrooms, 3-bedroom units, 1-bedroom units, but ultimately we have a plan to gut this thing, redo it, full renovation, and start collecting per bedroom rent. Go completely crazy, change the 2 bedrooms over to 3 bedrooms, right? Increase rent. And ultimately, we want to go to the college and negotiate a long-term lease with them so they can kind of take over the master lease and house these students. We don't plan on having any on-site management here. The seller who sold it to us still has some on-site management here. We're going to go in and see if she's in there. But guys, this is an incredible opportunity. I want to show you around. Let's go take a look. All right, I love this kind of view down here. He used to have all these fraternity and sorority flags up. I love the beautiful sod, right? These old buildings. We are in a historic neighborhood. If you take a look at some of these old houses with the, university flair on it, we just love it, right? It's got such a great vibe in this neighborhood. These old trees, these massive historic homes around here. And honestly, this used to be probably a big old historic home, right? And they've turned it into offices. We plan on turning it into more units, more bedrooms, more baths. Let's go in and take a look. Looks really great. This is kind of the fit and finish of all of them. Beautiful walls, fresh paint, nice flooring. Take a look at this kitchen. White quartz countertops. I mean, just a great place. We'll probably gut all this and turn it into bedrooms and bathrooms for students. Back here, they got this old party room with a bar and kind of an entertainment center fixed up. We'll tear all this out, brighten it up, can lights. Honestly, I could see cutting this massive room in half and putting 2 bedrooms back here. And there's a hallway that comes this way, would end. We could split off and add 2 more bedrooms, maybe even bathrooms in here. We're thinking we can get $1,000 per bedroom, right, in this whole complex, and hopefully get about 85 bedrooms out of the renovation. Looks pretty good. Not much out here. Kind of an outdoor patio area. Oh, look, we got the good time spot over there. Laundry room. Pool's looking a little green today. Zach's getting some shock. Throw it in the pool. But love it, nice and quiet out here. We've got plans to completely renovate that pool, tear down that fence, fix it up. Laundry room. Nobody's using this laundry room. No way. We'll tear it out and it'll be part of the renovation project. Turn on some lights because I guess I'm paying the light bill now. Yeah, there's lots of little maintenance closets. We're gonna go upstairs and see Kirsten. She's still here, she's still working. Previous owner's entourage. She might not like being on camera, but we don't care, we own it. More laundry. So upstairs, there's a lot of offices and kind of personal rooms and bedrooms and things like that. No way, we're turning this into all bedrooms, right? So most likely we'll take this 3,000 square foot house and gut it and turn it into as many bedrooms and bathrooms as we possibly can. I'll show you some of these big, look at the size of this bedroom. We have a little golf tournament here every spring called the Masters. That's right, we're in Augusta, Georgia, next to Augusta University. And the seller, the person we just bought it from, uses this particular building for the masters to bring all his friends in and have a great place to stay that week. Fortunately for us, there's plenty of bedrooms, but we're gonna turn them into rent collecting student housing. Now this is classic. This is before my time, right? You got the low sinks, knee-high sinks. You got the corner motel sweetheart tub. Whoo, let's see. I need a picture too. You got your iPhone? Love it. Hey, fits. My wife loves this kind of tile now, but it's all gotta go. But what I love about it is it's a huge bathroom. You could totally split this in half and service, one bedroom on this side of the house and one bedroom on this side of the house. Ultimately, the more bathrooms we have, the more rent we can collect. All right, this is the first apartment complex that we've bought with a swimming pool, okay? Student housing, previous seller put in this little pool. Let's go take a look. And I think it's really green and dirty. We gotta get it opened up and get it going. It's got this wooden fence all around it. I'm gonna go back with a nice black aluminum pool fence, something you can see through, something we can keep the grounds really nice, and everyone in the complex can see it. As you see what we're walking on here right now, all this asphalt will be brand new in the next 60 days. I'm talking a couple $100,000 worth of brand new asphalt, curbs, everything. Look at up here, all this siding that you see, all the siding up here that looks pretty good, we're gonna board and batten everything. Caulk and paint, hardy board, paint the brick. We're gonna turn this place into a destination where we know who's paying the bills, right? Student housing, who do you think's paying the bills? The parents' credit cards are paying the bills. So who do we have to impress? Not the kids, we gotta impress the parents, right? They're the ones that are gonna be paying every month. So we're gonna make this thing absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and try to get people in here to go, this is the closest apartment to campus that's not on campus. We'll take it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pool and the clubhouse. All right, cool pool. We got a little putting green over there we're gonna do some maintenance on, landscape maintenance. Looks pretty good. All right, let's go in the clubhouse. I'm gonna show you the clubhouse. They used to have a pool table and a tanning bed in there. Now it just smells like weed and it's got trash everywhere. We actually plan to either turn this into a unit for rent or probably temporarily make this my town office, right? Everybody needs a town office with a pool view. Let's go take a look. Woo! I mean, if you could smell it, Andrew, what's it smell like?
The inside of a
rental house?
a restaurant attached to a gas station.
He said it smells like a restaurant that's attached to a gas station. I think it smells like a classic rental property where everybody smoked weed in all day and they didn't take the chicken wing bones to the trash can. They just threw them in the corner. All right, maybe we'll cut that part out. No, it's good? That was good. All right, we'll use that. But look, this is brand new, 9-foot ceilings, heavy molding. Look at this freaking tanning bed. I gotta get this thing out of here. Jaren's like, this thing's $5,000. And I'm like, I'll pay somebody $500 to get it out of here. Look at this coffin. Should we turn it on? And that is kind of sketchy in there. This is the changing room. I don't know. I don't know if there's a big market for, used old tanning beds, stand-up tanning beds. There probably is. All right, I'll show you something else we got to work on out here, right? So check out all this stuff. Like we just don't do this, right? Some landlords will, we just don't. Especially not at our apartment complexes. All of this kind of junk has to go. All of this old asphalt, this is how we're gonna add value, right? If you're gonna buy an apartment complex, you're gonna buy an investment house, flip house, where are you adding value, right? That's the only way to make money, to get equity, to get wealthy in real estate is to add value. So how are you adding value? Is it through construction? Is it through your property management skills? Those kinds of things you have to look at. How are you going to add value? How do I take this from worth $4.5 million to $10 million in the next 24 months, right? And I have a plan. My plan is to come in and add value, new parking lots, wrap everything up, okay? Let's keep walking over here. I'll show you where we got to figure out a spot to put the dumpsters. One thing I like is the nice cars, right? I got Teslas, I got Toyotas, I got 350Zs, I got Mustangs. It's not a bunch of beat up cars sitting on blocks. It's a nice neighborhood with nice vehicles. The tenants have nice vehicles. We bought a complex where the tenants already have nice vehicles. Usually we buy a complex where the tenants have horrible vehicles and we fix it up, add value, and then the new tenants always have nice vehicles. This we cannot have, okay? This is not something we do, right? All these trash cans have to be taken out to the street. You're paying for a private company. I guarantee you they're spending a lot more money than if you just got 2 dumpsters and centrally located them and then re-educated our residents on how the trash works, right? Everything's gonna be a headache when you first start it, but you gotta think, we've gotta make this more efficient. We've gotta make this, something that you can set and forget, right? Put the kids in here, let them pay rent, they'll figure out the trash, right? And what's cool about this property is that it's student housing, right? So they're 12-month leases, but the kids are gone for the summer. Most of them go back home. So we have opportunities every single year where there's a month or two of no kids here, whether we've got to get in and do painting, maintenance, renovations on certain buildings, asphalt, all kinds of things. That's what's going to happen. All right, let's talk about uniformity and consistency. If you take a look down here, the previous seller, he did a lot of work to make it look like a bunch of different facades, right? That's just the style, right? Townhouse style. We love uniformity. We know that our end buyers, whether it's 5, 10 years from now, they like uniformity. They want things to look, dress right, dress in a certain way. So if we look at this over here, we've got different types of light fixtures. Every single unit's got a different type of light fixture. Some units have mailboxes, some don't. We're gonna go back with centralized mail location, all the same really nice light fixtures, and most likely we're gonna paint a lot of this stuff and fix a lot of this stuff so it all looks uniform. Remember that. The military has it figured out, right? Everybody's doesn't look different, crazy haircuts, different color boots, different color uniforms. No. Dress right, dress, uniformity. That's what people are looking for. That's what eases the minds of investors, and ultimately the college and the students and the parents that are gonna come here, they're gonna love it. Can't wait for you guys to see it. All right, guys, thank you guys for walking around my brand new apartment complex. Just to recap, 33 units, student housing, downtown Augusta, Georgia, close to Augusta University, 3-minute walk, actually. We just heard from one of the residents. Bought it for $4.5 million. Plan to put a ton of value into this, double, maybe triple the value with the lease, but it's gonna be a long process. Over the next 2 years, we're gonna be pushing out a lot of videos that shows all the updates, the renovations, the parking lots. We're gonna make a video series on gutting these apartments and rebuilding them, and I hope you guys join me for that. Remember, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do it, right? The more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll make, I promise. And also, hit that like button and the notification bell. That way, when we get another video about this apartment complex, you get a notification, you can join us there. As always, guys, stay focused, buy some real estate, hold on to it, right? JV, take care of your body. See you guys on the next one.